Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a great video for you guys today, but before we get started, if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Ring the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below of videos you'd like to see in the near future, things of that nature. Any little small gesture helps this channel to grow, which is what I'm trying to do, so it is greatly appreciated on my part. And for those of you that have been rocking with me, thank you, greatly appreciate it. Kudos and thumbs up to you guys. But I do have a special video for you guys today. It is of a sneaker that has not yet released. It comes out May 26th on Nike. So here is the box. If you can see my size, it's a grade school size 7. And you have your typical gold Jumpman on top. And the little literature that Nike puts on the back of their boxes. And, and you're 23, of course. Can't forget that. And your other Jumpman. All right, so, see the paper. Oh yeah, it comes with your typical 23 paper, if you guys can see that. All right, so here it is, drum roll please. It is none other than Jordan Retro 1 Mid Purple Pulse. I've seen a lot of people rocking this bad boy. And like I say, it does not come out until May 26th. I purchased it early, a little over, a lot over retail, unfortunately. But I know, I don't know, I was just thinking ahead of the game because I know a lot of purchases have been taken prior to their release date. No shade, but I really like this color, so I went ahead and copped it. Didn't mind paying the amount for it, so yeah. But here it is, guys. It looks like, I would call this like a mint blue and a lavender purple. Very nice. One thing I will say about this, it has a little weight on it. The leather is a little thicker than other leathers that go in the mids. You know, other shoes like have the soft tumbled leather that gives kind of easy. This one is pretty sturdy, kind of holds its own, but I really like it. Lavender sole is like bomb. Very nice. Typical Nike sole there. And inside you have your lavender tongue with the mint blue. Is it mint blue or mint green? Mint blue Jumpman inside. And one thing I really like about this one too is on the switch there, you can see it's like double layered. But the lighter purple and the darker purple is on the swoosh. And then you have the teal stitching here around the swoosh. It's pretty nice. And I like this tongue. It's kind of fluffy. And see, I knew I went crazy. I kept thinking that the best color of a hoodie or something to go with this would be pink. And I don't know why I kept thinking that, but apparently they think the same because they gave us a pink Jumpman with the air underneath. If you guys can see that. All right. And then here on the side, you have your infamous wings. And the mint blue or green, however you want to call it. Very nice. And the tongue here, like I said, is kind of thick. A little different style than on the regular Jordan Retro 1 Mids. And you have it lined there in the lavender, which is very nice. On top of the white. It did not come with an extra set of laces, which would have been pretty cool. Seriously thinking about putting pink inside of mine. And let's see, what else can I say about this beauty? I mean, that's pretty much it. The leather quality, like I say, is awesome. It's way better than what's been on other mids in the past. Like I said, in the past, they've used a softer leather, but this one's more durable. It definitely adds a little weight to the shoe. This is the right foot here. You guys can see, very nice. And this does come out in men's and kids as well. Again, this one's grade school. And the price is $90 for big kids. I'm not sure what it is for men. But again, I did pay over resale for this one. Very nice. But it does come out tomorrow, May 26th on Nike. I hope you guys are able to cop it. Like I said, I've seen a lot of people wearing this shoe already, so I'm hoping the stocks or the shipments haven't been given out to backdoor purchases, but you never know. But just try Nike, cross your fingers and go for it. But that's pretty much it. Again, this is the Nike Jordan Retro 1 Purple Pulse. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will be back with another video soon. I am Jaywalking Diva. You guys stay safe. Peace.
Getting hella chatter. I do it, I do it. I just do it like Nike. I do it, I do it. Fuck them niggas don't like it. I do it, I do it. This is so exciting. I do it, I do it, I do it. Yeah, I do it, I do it. I just do it like Nike. I do it, I do it. Fuck them niggas don't like it. I do it, I do it. This is so exciting. I do it, I do it, I do it. Yeah, y'all try it, I do it. Y'all buy it, I move it. When it comes to these records, I've been moving these. League.